In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Clickup, which is part of our Clickup Tips and Tricks series. Whether you're transitioning data from another tool or simply updating your existing tasks, importing via CSV can save a significant amount of time. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to go to the Clickup website. It's the hub where all our task management magic happens. From there, locate and click on the Login button. If you're already a Clickup user, this step should be quite straightforward. Just ensure you're on the correct page to begin your import process. Once you've clicked Login, you'll be directed to a page where you can sign in using your Google account. If you've linked your Google account to Clickup, simply click Sign in with Google. This is not only a time saver, but also offers a seamless experience, especially if you utilize other Google services. After signing in, you'll need to select the specific Google account you intend to use. Choose the one linked with your Clickup account. This ensures that you're accessing the right workspace, keeping all your tasks and data in one place. With your account selected, Clickup will welcome you back to your dashboard. From here, head over to your profile section, which sits comfortably in the top navigation bar. Clicking on it will present several options, but we'll focus on the settings. Inside the settings panel, you'll see various configurations available, but today we're interested in import/exports. Click on this option as it houses all the essential tools for importing data directly into Clickup. Next, you'll find an option labeled Start Import. Clicking on this will guide you to a new set of choices, paving the way for importing files. Under these options, choose any spreadsheet. This selection allows Clickup to seamlessly transition your data from a CSV format into its system. It's important to ensure your CSV file is well organized before importing. Ensure headers are clear and formatted correctly to prevent errors during the import process. Take a moment to review your spreadsheet and make necessary adjustments if needed. And that's it. By now, your CSV file should be successfully imported into Clickup, nesting itself neatly within your task management setup. This integration is an invaluable feature for managing complex data, offering a straightforward way to keep everything in sync. Thank you for joining me today as we demystified importing CSV files into Clickup. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks from our series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with our latest content. Happy organizing and see you next time.